The internet and digital technology are changing the way people learn. This is a global market opportunity, no longer confined to the classroom. And this technology has the potential to transform everyone into lifelong learners. Mykademy is leading this change, providing a true virtual classroom experience for tutors, training organizations, and educational institutions, but most importantly, for the learners. Mykademy is disruptive due to the creation of massive cost reductions, easy onboarding, and more features than any other platform. Make use of unlimited live sessions through a world-class video conferencing system. Build your own courses and libraries to offer a wholesome teaching experience and expand your offer with many third-party learning contents. Create tutor profiles on Mykademy and promote them across marketing channels to showcase your expertise, generate leads, and attract learners. Also, build your own website by using the Mykademy platform. Build your own AI chatbot for a customized 24/7 e-tutor at affordable monthly rates. Mykademy is leading the revolution in education technology. Visit mykademy.com to choose from flexible pricing plans or sign up for a free 14-day trial. The future of virtual education is now. The future is mykademy.com.